Hi, this is the second part of the platform demo video for Rosesor.co. In this part, we will have an overview of the project feature. First, in the Create drop-down menu, if you click on the project button, you are redirected to the Create a Project page. Here, you can give your project a title, a short tagline, a location if necessary. Choose up to 3 types of work or activity, as well as relevant practices, which will help discovery. A description of the work, any specific documents in PDF format, a cover photo, an external link if necessary, and finally the theme colors. Once you click Submit, you will see your project here on your profile, and clicking on the project card will navigate to the project page. This is the basic layout of your project page. Depending on the type of project and your aims, additional features like open calls, space links, collaborations, and scheduling can be added to the project at later stages. Here on the bottom left, if you click on the menu icon, the first item will take you to the Edit Project page, where you can add further information or make modifications to your project. Back on the project page, the second item on the drop-down menu will take you to the internal project dashboard, which is a private page only visible to the project participants and collaborators. Here, you can manage the schedule, communications, and updates between the people participating in any given project. In the next video, we will have an overview of open calls, space community calendars, and country calendars. Thank you for watching.